Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you and your family are in best of everything and doing well. So we are here with our new video, and as you can see on the board, our topic is use of let. What is let used for? What type of sentence we express with the help of let? Let is used in a sentence to say allow someone do something. When the sentence is negative, it means do not allow someone do something. This is the first kind of a sentence with the usage of let, and in the second type of sentence we suggest people do things together, and we use normally or usually use let us, not let alone. Okay, so let's start with the first one, allow or do not allow. So sentence number 1 here, let me feel her pulse. It means allow me feel her pulse. For those who understand in Urdu, I will keep on trying time to time. मुझे उसकी नब्ज़ देखने दो. मुझे उसकी नब्ज़ देखने दो. So let me feel her pulse. Number 2. Let her come with me. Let her come with me. It means allow her to come with me. Allow her to come with me. In Urdu, उसे मेरे साथ आने दो. Number 3, all these are positive sentences, and you can make other sentences yourself. Let them try their luck. Let them try their luck. It means allow them to try their luck. Or in other words, do not stop them from trying their luck. In Urdu, उन्हें अपनी किस्मत आजमाने दो. उन्हें अपनी किस्मत आजमाने दो. So now I will write a couple of sentences here. I mean negative sentences. Do not let them make a noise. Do not let them make a noise. It means do not allow them to make a noise or stop them from making a noise. In Urdu, उन्हें शोर मत मचाने दो. उन्हें शोर ना करने दो, यानी उन्हें शोर करने से रोको. और them we could write the children. Do not let the children make a noise. It means do not allow the children to make a noise or stop the children from making a noise. बच्चों को शोर मत करने दो. Right? Do not let him sit under the sun. Do not let him sit under the sun. It's mean do not allow him to sit under the sun. In other words, stop him from sitting under the sun. उसे धूप में मत बैठने दो, यानी उसे धूप में बैठने से रोको. Okay, now we come the second use. Now we come on the second use of let. Suggest people do things together. Okay, so let us go to theater. Let us go to theater. Here you suggest someone, one or more, to go to theater together. Understand? By this way, when you say let us go to theater, it means you are suggesting someone to go to theater with you. In Urdu, आइए थिएटर चलें. सिनेमा, थिएटर सिनेमा को कहते हैं. तो आइए सिनेमा चलें. और लेट अस फिनिश आवर वर्क. It means you are suggesting someone to finish our work together. You have some work to finish. Someone else also has his work to finish, or the same work to finish together. So you say, let us finish our work. It means let us finish our work together, you and me. In Urdu, आइए अपना काम ख़त्म करें, या आए अपना काम ख़त्म करें. Sentence number 3. Let us enjoy horse riding. It means you are suggesting someone to enjoy horse riding together. You and the listener also. The listener can be one person or more. Okay, so let us enjoy horse riding. आइए घुड़सवारी के मज़े लें. आइए या आएँ घोड़े की सवारी के मज़े लें या उसको एंजॉय करें. Okay, a couple of more sentences. Let us celebrate this victory or this occasion. Let us celebrate this occasion. So again the same thoughts. You are inviting someone to celebrate the victory, this victory or this occasion with you. You and him, the listener, enjoy or celebrate the victory or the occasion together. ठीक है. उर्दू में कहेंगे आए इस फतह का जश्न मनाएं. आए इस मौके को सेलिब्रेट करें, इस मौके को का जश्न मनाएं. The last sentence, let us make him understand. Let us make him pursue. No. Let's omit the pursue. Let us pursue him. Pursue doesn't need make. Let us make him understand. So, make him understand, it's mean let us try that he will understand. Let us try together, me and you, so that he will understand. आए उसे समझाएं. अंडरस्टैंड के माने तो समझना होता है ना. सो इफ़ यू कांट गेट दिस सेंटेंस प्रॉपरली, you should watch our video on causative sentence. We have uploaded the last week. Okay? तो आए उसे समझाएं. Let us pursue him. आए उसे राज़ी करें, उसे मनाएं. ठीक है? So this is all about the use of let, and we will soon be with you with our next video. So until then, take care of yourself and the people around you. Allah Hafiz.